So guys, today in this video I'm going to take you through how to activate or create virtual environment on your Visual Studio Code. So the first thing you are going to do is to go to your desktop and create a new folder and give it any title you want. So I come here and create a new folder. I call it virtual. Now click on enter. So I'll go to my Visual Studio Code and open this folder. So I'm going to open the folder on the desktop. You can see visual. So I'll select that folder. And inside the folder, we are going to create a file called main.py. Main.py because we are using Python. So you click on this and then you create the file called main.py. So main.py, you press enter. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go and open a new terminal to be able to activate the environment. So you come to this option here, you click, you see terminal, then you go to new terminal. Then you come to the terminal here. We are going to type in Python environment. So wait for it to load a bit. So the next thing we'll do is to come here. Now we're going to type in Python, the minus m, then venv, which stands for virtual environment dot venv. Then you press enter and wait for it to activate. But before that, you should select the interpreter you want to use here. You can come here and select the interpreter. This is the recommended one, so you can select that one. So that is it. Okay, so it's taking a bit longer, but it will activate all the packages. So the virtual environment is activated because when you come here, you can see the virtual environment has been activated. We didn't type this one, but it has been activated. Sorry. So you can open it and see all the packages that have been installed. You can come here and see the libraries. You can see all these packages have been installed due to the virtual environment you have created. You can see here all these have been installed. Python extensions and so many other things have been installed in addition. You can see. So this will help you in your application development. You can see all these packages have been installed automatically. So this is simple how to activate virtual environment on Visual Studio Code. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And also, if you have any suggestions, you can let me also know. Thank you for coming today to this channel, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.